Hi, welcome to our channel. Today I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a pack opening on NBA Dunks. As you see, I have these 5 gift packs, so I'm going to open these, and let me just go to the store while it's loading. And so I'm going to go to this pack right here, which is 1,500 coins. The arrow is pointing to how many coins I have. This is going to be all my coins, but I'm literally gonna literally just risk it for the biscuit situation. But first, let's open those 5 gift packs. So right now I'm gonna go to it. So the first gift pack, let's see what it's gonna get as it's loading. And so we got Landry Shamet, signature. Ben Simmons when he was on the Sixers. I don't know how to say that guy's name, but it is a signature card. Ooh, Tyrese Halliburton when he was on the Kings. That's actually a pretty good card. Peyton Pritchard. Oh, Westbrook when he was on the Thunders. Oh, that's actually a really good card. A normal Martin Gortat, I think that's how you say his name. Victor Oladipo when he was on the Pacers. Miles Turner and Giannis Antetokounmpo to end the first pack. So now I'm gonna go to the next pack as it's loading. Yeah, this one is taking way more to load. Okay, okay. So what we got first? We got a signature and jersey patch, Javon Carter, another one of the signature. Oh, we got a 2-player card, Cam Reddish and DeAndre Hunter. Okay, and we got this powerful. I'm pretty sure he's a powerful. Precious Achiuwa when he was on the Heat. Oh, Kyle Lowry when he was on the Raptors. Oh, that's a sick card. Damian Lillard. Oh my goodness. DeMarcus Cousins. Solid card. Julius Randle. And Mo Bamba. Okay, so that 4th pack wasn't as good as the first pack. I mean, the second pack wasn't good as the first pack, but it was solid. Okay, we got a rookie card right there. PJ Washington Jr., Javon Carter, David Thompson. Kobe, no way. I just pulled Kobe. Oh my goodness. No way I pulled Kobe. Oh, that's such a sick card. Oh my goodness. Kyle Kuzma right after that. Mike Conley. Ooh, that's a cool looking card. Drew Holiday and Aaron Holiday. Oh, the brothers. Okay, so now this is going to be our second last one. I can't believe we got Kobe. That was absolutely insane. I literally can't believe it. Okay, what we got? Makalu, I can't even say that. Mitchell Robinson. Larry Bird. Oh my gosh, that was a good one. And it's a Hall of Fame version. That's actually really good. Okay, I think that might be some Rook. Oh, he was a pretty good player. Latrell Sprewell, Karl Anthony Towns, solid player. Dirk Nowitzki. Oh, that is a solid card right there. It's not a rare card, but yeah. Ooh, nice card from Chris Paul. Xavier Tillman. Okay, normal card. And Grayson Allen. Okay, so this is going to be our last pack. Then we're going to open that 1,500 pack. Or actually, I opened the packs, recording, but I didn't talk in it. So I'll show you that. And then after, we'll do that 1,500 coin pack. As we get Artist Gilmore, that was the sick card. Mortis Wagner. Bobo. Nice. I don't know how to say this guy's name. Cam Reddish. Solid. Stephen Curry. Oh, that's such a nice card. Stephen Curry right there. Okay, Nerlens Noel, Jeff Green, Kevin Durant. Oh my goodness. Look at that right there. And Ottis Porter Jr. to end it off. Now, let's see the packs that I didn't talk in it, but I record. And I'll tell you when you could skip to the 1,500 coin pack. everybody, now we're gonna do the 1,500 coin pack. Now this is gonna be absolutely insane. I'm really looking forward to this. So you can get one auto or memorable insert per pack. Look for limited edition varieties. Now this is gonna be absolutely insane. Oh, proceed. Ah, do I wanna do this? Yep. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. So the first player. Oh, that's not a good start. Rudy Gobert, no. CJ McCollum. No, this has to be this last card has to be good. I'm done. No. Oh my gosh, I just wasted my coins. Oh my gosh. Now I don't know if I'm gonna play this game anymore because I'm literally so mad. But like, let me show you my card collection. I can't really be that mad because my card collection is absolutely insane. Now the 2021 version is not that great, but look at all of these cards. Literally, just oh my goodness. In the 2019, I also. Yeah, you've probably seen all these cards already though, so I shouldn't be showing you this. So yeah, also I'm gonna put a code up on the screen. You can get 10 free digital packs if you redeem that code. So it's on the screen right now. Redeem that code right now. You can get 10 free digital packs. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and like. Turn on notification bells. Also subscribe to my friend and sister channel. Link in the description called Bala Here and Gaming. That's my friend's one. Queen Rihanna is my sister one. And that's all I gotta say. Peace.